Hello, welcome to my channel one more time. I am making a Nicaraguan dish called Vigorón. Sorry, there's no English translation for it. The main ingredients are yuca and chicharrón. Add salt to the water and bring it to a boil. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of plantain or apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of water, and salt to taste. This is a street dish eaten for lunch only. Don't eat for dinner if you make it. Taste and correct for salt. If this is the first time that you are visiting my channel, consider subscribing, giving this video a like, and share it with your friends and family. I'm making a simple coleslaw too that's gonna go on top of the dish. That's cabbage, red and white, and carrots, and I am adding 2 Roma tomatoes, chopped Roma tomatoes, and the vinaigrette. Mix well and let it marinate until it is time to serve. I'm adding to the boiling water. The water should be boiling by now. The frozen yuca, I've been a lot luckier with frozen yuca than with fresh yuca or yucca from the grocery store. So you can find it in any Latin market, frozen. And I am adding, this is the secret to the recipe, add 1 onion, quarter, and boil the yuca with the onion. That's gonna give the yuca a really good flavor. And I'm seeing that that pan is too small, so I change pans. And you're going to boil that for about 20 to 30 minutes. To know if the yuca is ready, you can pierce it with a fork, and if it goes really easy, you can you know that it's ready. You can also put it on a plate and pierce it and then taste it. It has to be super tender. And remove the vein in the middle like I did there. Now we're going to plate and have all the ingredients ready. There's only 3 basically. You put the yuca first, then you put a lot of chicharrones on top. They have to be crispy, and if they have a little bit of meat, even better. And we're going to add the coleslaw on top. And this is a dish that in Nicaragua is eaten with your hands, no flatware. And it is served on fresh plantain leaves. Those green plantain leaves, they give it to you like that, and you eat it. It's just interesting because you just eat it basically off your hands. Very ecological. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Check out the other videos at the end of this video as well. And thank you for watching. Chaito.